Sudan's skies have a new player, Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drones. But what does their deployment mean for the conflict in Khartoum? Sudanese army has reportedly deployed Turkish Bayraktar drones in their operations in Khartoum. These drones, known for their precision and effectiveness, have been a game-changer in modern warfare. Stick around to uncover how these drones are shaping the battlefield and what this could mean for the future of the region. The Bayraktar TB2 drones have gained global attention for their role in conflicts like Ukraine and Nagorno-Karabakh. In Sudan, their arrival marks a significant escalation in the army's military capabilities. According to recent reports, these drones are being used to conduct targeted strikes against Rapid Support Forces (RSF) positions in Khartoum. Analysts suggest that these airstrikes aim to disrupt RSF supply chains and limit their mobility. However, the conflict's urban nature poses challenges. Experts warn that drone strikes in densely populated areas risk civilian casualties, a concern echoed by international observers. Despite these challenges, the Sudanese army's use of drones represents a tactical edge, intensifying their offensive against the RSF. The pivotal moment in this drone campaign came when Bayraktar drones reportedly targeted a key RSF supply convoy near central Khartoum. The strike disrupted logistics and demonstrated the army's growing reliance on technology to level the playing field. This incident showcases how drones can alter the dynamics of modern warfare, even in asymmetric conflicts. As the conflict in Sudan rages on, the deployment of Bayraktar drones highlights the increasing role of technology in shaping the battlefield. But it also raises pressing questions about accountability, civilian safety, and the future of warfare in urban environments. What do you think about this development? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on global conflicts.